Hello, wonderful people. Today we are discussing spiritual cleansing baths with Harlem. Hi, you are welcome back to our channel, Smart Idea TV, where we talk spirituality. We give spiritual tips and simple life hacks. Most of the things we discuss here are very simple. And today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to prepare a simple spiritual cleansing bath for all things. It clears away negativity, it opens doors and cleanses you. If you can learn how to prepare this and do it, then you won't have any issue. Again, I've seen a lot of comments, I've received comments that spiritual things are not working for me. I'm not getting things are not working. If you have been following me for a while, then I've done so many videos teaching you different things you can do when things are not working, or when you feel spiritual items are not working. I've seen a case where two friends came to me, I gave them the same recipe, and one came back to say that the thing is working for her friend, but it's actually not working for her. And she was the one that introduced the friend to me. So I was like saying, the problem is not with what I gave you. The problem is with negativity that you have. And there are things that you can do. And this negativity might be caused by so many things. So many things. It might be from your home. It might be your environment where you are currently domiciled. It might be some things that you are doing that you are not supposed to do. Or it might just be that this negativity might be caused by bad people. They are just meant to, they just want to bring you down. But if you can do this simple thing that I'm going to be showing you, then you will suffer this no more. Anything that you use will work. Even those will open. You won't be spending so much money on things, on spiritual things. Just spend little and everything will come handy. So, what are the things we are going to be needing? Very simple ingredients. Number one, we are going to be using halum or halum. Number two, we are going to be needing tablet soap, white tablet soap. And you need water because you are going to be using the water to bathe. And the fourth thing that is also very important is your sponge. But the sponge, if you are using this synthetic sponge, you cannot use any other sponge. It's white sponge. But if you are using the local sponge, then it's off white. The local sponge is off white. I'm going to be showing you, so you can use that. Now, what do you do? The first thing that you have to do is, if you get the alum, and by the way, there are different types of alum. There's a big block type, then there is the smaller block type. Those ones are like pieces. Then you have the powdery one. Any one of them, you can use any one. It can be the big block, it can be the small, then it can be the powdered one. So what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be using this. You are going to be preparing this every day that you want to use, because you are going to be using it for 7 days. You are going to be using it for 7 days if you are a female, then 9 days if you are a male. So this is the way to prepare it. If it's the block type, and it's very big, just get one big one and just break it into pieces. Make sure they are like into 7 pieces or 9 pieces, as the case may be. But if it's the smaller type, then you can just pick some and put and use. So every day you dissolve the alum in the bathing water. Then the tablet soap that you are buying is the white tablet soap. It can be any brand, but make sure it is white, not colored, not pink, not yellow. It must be white, because this particular ritual is all white. Everything is white. You know, water does not have any color. It is plain. So you are using the water, you are using white tablet, and you are using alum. Alum is just like water, is colorless. It's colorless. Though it has some sharp taste like salt, but it's not salt, it's alum. So the soap, you cut it you have to buy the smaller type. Don't buy the very big type. Just buy the smaller white tablet soap. Then cut it. If you are a female, you cut it into 7. If you are a male, you are cutting it into 9. Then, if you are using local sponge, you are getting 7 local sponge. If you are a female, then 9 local sponge for a male. But if you are using the synthetic sponge, which is white, the rubber sponge, then you are going to be just using 1. Use the 1 for the days, 7 or 9 days. So if after cutting the soap into 7 or 9, as the case may be, then you have to use one of the soap. If you cut it into 7 or 9, use 1 daily. If you use the 1 now, use the second one second day for 7 days. If you're a female, you are using it for 7 days. If you're a male, you are using it for 9 days. 9 days. That's how to use it. But the first thing is you dissolve the alum inside your bathing water. After dissolving it, then you take your sponge with the soap and you must use everything. You must use that night. You must use that 1 soap. You must finish it. Then you wash your body with water. You do the same the second day. You do the same thing the third day till you finish. If you are a lady for 7 days, then if you are a male for 9 days. For 9 days. So if you are using the local sponge, you have to be discarding, you have to be disposing the sponge every day. After finishing one, you discard it. After finishing the second day, but if you are using the synthetic sponge, then you have to keep it. You have to keep it till the last day. After using it for the last day, you go and discard it, throw it away, or you bury it. Whatever the case might be, just dispose of it. You are not using it again. You are using it specifically for that spiritual bath. When can you use this? This bath is very, very good during the midnight. During the midnight, like 12. Don't use it in the morning. Don't use it in the afternoon. Use it around 12, between 11, 12. Between 11, 12. That's when to use this. It is very, because that period of time is when these evil spirits operate most. I'm not saying it's the only time. When they operate most is that time. Then you can just use this at that time. Then, like I said, if you are female, you are using the bath. You are taking the bath for 7 days. If you are a male, you are taking the bath for 9 days. Female 7, male 9. I'm very sure of this. This one is, I'm so sure of this. Don't joke with it. Don't joke with it. You are not spending so much money to do this. And you don't have a reason not to do it. You are paying nobody to do it. It doesn't cost you anything. But I want to tell you that negativity is not good at all. It holds back. It does not allow you to achieve things. It does not allow you to receive the kind of blessing you are supposed to be receiving. If you are supposed to be getting 10 things, maybe hardly you get 1. Or sometimes you might not even get anything at all. And they can even bring you down with sickness. But if you can do this, it will cleanse everything about you, both internal and external. I'm not asking you to drink it, but it will cleanse you. Because the kind of dreams that you have, you sleep well, you have a nice dream, and things will start working for you perfectly. Things will start working for you perfectly. You can do this once in a month. You can do it once in 2 months. You can do it once in 3 months. But if I were you, I'm battling any negativity, I prefer to be doing it every month. Because that will clear the road, clear any form of blockages in your front, and it will allow you to achieve things easily. And anything that you use will be very, very, very effective. After this, it will become effective. And again, all rejections, all blockages, all bad lucks will go, because you are washing all negativity away. This is very simple. And lastly, let me tell you, this is a warning. When you are doing this, abstain from sex. Don't go into sex during this period. Then again, if you are menstruating during this time, don't do it. Just abstain from it instead of wasting your time. Because if you do it during menstruation, you are rendering it ineffective, and it's not the best. Just abstain. After your menses, then you can do it. So don't do it during menses. Then abstain from sex. Abstain from sex during this period. If you're a man, it's for 9 days. If you're a female, it's for 7 days. So abstain from sex during this period. And you come and bless me for this. Start now because we are entering the new month. We are entering the new month. Start preparation now. So by the first of this month, you can just start using it. And you bless me for coming in contact with this video. And you even send things to me. You tell me your testimony. I'm very sure of this because I've seen a lot of people who have done this and have given their testimony. This one is not a matter of maybe, it works. I'm very sure, it's guaranteed 100% it works. If you want to see another effective way to do cleansing bath, then watch this video here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent. And don't forget, we can succeed together. Thanks.